Morning, everybody. It's Wednesday morning, 8:35, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1200, another milestone for this Wednesday morning. Okay, so Asia is up a bit, Europe is down a bit. The UK reported their CPI overnight, and it was pretty amazing. Up 6.2%. That's a year over year number, and that is the highest number in 30 years. So, not great there. The 10-year is up 1 basis point at 238, and mortgage index down 8.1%. That follows last week's down 1.2%. So, evidently, higher interest rates are, in fact, taking hold. Okay, so we had Adobe yesterday with okay earnings and poor guidance, and after the close, the stock was down pretty hard. It had closed at 466 and change. It traded down to 441 and a half. It's recovering a little right now, but it's still only 451, and that's down 15.45 or 3.3%. This was all on the guidance. General Mills beat and issued good guidance. Stock is 64.75, up 207, up 3.3%, which for a stodgy old company like General Mills is an excellent move. Apple had an outage for the second day in a row. The stock is basically unchanged, or down 81 cents, but excuse me, that whole FANG mega cap complex is lower this morning. Tencent, Chinese company. Again, I don't buy them, but I do report on them. They beat with a gain of 60% on earnings, and the stock right now, which is a pink sheet because it's a foreign stock with a NASDAQ pink sheet symbol, is trading 48 down 261 or 5.1%. Poshmark, $12.53 down $1.30 or 9.4% on their earnings miss. And just to give you an idea of how far that's come back down, the high on the stock when it IPO'd was 105. So $12 is, 90% lower. Again, another one of those, you know, seems great when money means nothing, when the cost of money is zero. Okay, the meme stocks. I want to warn everybody about it. All the meme stocks are higher. GameStop was up 30% yesterday. This morning it's up another 7%, 136, up 1541 on the news that the CEO added to his personal position. I want to remind everyone, I mentioned this on the Discord last night. These meme stocks move at the end of a rally, not at the beginning. Another group that does exactly the same thing, because it's been pounded down so hard, are the pot stocks. They're up for roughly 5 of the last 7 days, which, if you look at any of their charts, you'll find is very unusual since they've gotten so pounded. Chart on the screen is the oil, looking like it wants to go higher again. Yesterday's kind of quiet, higher high, higher low, closing down on the day, but mid-range, down about two-thirds on the range. This morning, so far an inside day, a higher low and a lower high, but trading right on that high, and up $3.50. There was a report last night about Cushing, which is where all of our oil is stored, being down dramatically. storage down dramatically. And that brings up the possibility of a bit of a short squeeze in the futures when they expire this month. I'll get back to you on the exact expiration, um, but it could be a fairly substantial move. Along with the oil, in the energy space, we also have nat gas up strongly again. As you can see, it burst to the upside here yesterday. It's up about another dime today. It's above the downtrend line. Next highest close is this one at 550. I'm not really looking for that, but I think we could see 540, 545 without much of a change. Let's just go back and see oil. Okay, gold up 630, silver up 19 cents. The futures, which at 8 o'clock were Dow down 100, NASDAQ down 104, and S&P down 18, are a little bit lower now. Dow down 125. S&P is, pardon me, NASDAQ is down about 118, and the S&P is down about 22. Bitcoin down a little, same with Ethereum. Bonds down another 6, which is 630 seconds, which is just under a quarter of a point. Be careful out there, folks. We can turn on a dime in either direction.